Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. So today's video is an introduction to string class in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us talk about strings in detail. So string is a class in Java that belongs to java.lang package. And there are various ways to create our string objects. So first is with the help of this constructor, right? So on line 2 and 3, you can see I have this string constructor and one contains 0 argument while the other one contains single argument, right? So we can create object of string using the constructor. And on the last line, we have this string object created using the literal. So when you're not using the new operator and you're just writing the string, that means you're using the string literal method of creating your string object, right? So literal simply means that you're not using any constructor, and it is the most recommended way to create your string objects, right? And we will see this why it is the recommended way in later videos. All right. Now, there are a few things that you need to know about your string objects. So string uses character array to store the string objects. So internally, you're using the character array to store your string object. Next thing that you need to know, and which is very important, that strings are immutable. And I will discuss about this in one of the later videos. All right. And the other thing which is very important is that string literals can be concatenated using the plus operator. So this is not possible for the other objects except for the wrapper classes, right? And last thing that is very important, that string literals are stored in a special area in a heap called as the string constant pool. So you need to remember all these key points, and we will discuss few points in the later video. All right. Now let us look at some of the ways to create our string objects. So on line 5, I have used the string constructor and I have not passed any argument. Then on line 8, I have again used the string constructor, but I have passed the string argument. On line 11th, I have created the string object using the string literal, right? And on line 14, I have created this character array, and on line 15, I have created the string object using the argument, that is your character array, which is passed to the string constructor. And similarly on line 18, I have this byte array, and inside the string constructor, we have passed this byte array as the argument, right? So let me run this program and we should have the proper outputs. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see the outputs are printed onto the console. So on the first line, there is no output because we did not pass any argument to the string constructor. All right. Now, as I told you that two string literals can be concatenated with the help of this plus operator. So if I run this program, the output should display Gaurav Singh, right? So let me run this program now. So let me run this program. And here you can see the output is Gaurav Singh. All right. Now let us see what happens if I use the string concatenation operator with the string and the other number types. So let me compile and execute the program. So here you can see we have different set of outputs. So first we have Gaurav 7-1. Then next we have 8 Gaurav. And again after that we have 8 Gaurav 1-2. So let us understand this, why this happened. Now, as you know that in this expression we have plus operators. And as you know that your plus operator is left associative. So that means it will start from left. So as soon as it encounters the string, so what it will do is it will just append the other values to the string, right? So that's the reason you got this Gaurav 7-1 for the first one. Then on the 10th line, we have the 7 plus 1. And since this is not a string, so it will add. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Then after that, it encounters a string. So now what it does is simply appends this 8 to this string. So that's the reason you got this 8 Gaurav. And finally on line 13, we got 8 Gaurav and 1-2. Because here it added 7 plus 1, then it concatenated to Gaurav. And since this string is again concatenated to 1 and 2, so we got 8 Gaurav 1-2. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.